how to reset Chrome settings on Android. If your Chrome is slow, crashing, or showing unwanted changes, resetting its settings can fix the hidden issues. So we can just go over and follow up these steps in order to fix it. First of all, we may open up our settings on our device, the main settings of our phone. And within there, tap on apps or app management, scroll for that and find it up and tap on it. Now, once we tap on it, we can find and tap Google Chrome. You may use the search at the top and type in Chrome. And once we find it up, we may tap on it and open up storage. And within storage, what we need to do is tap on this option called clear cache. And we may tap on this option called manage storage and look out for the option of deleting data, clear all data unless we want a full reset. It usually signs us out. So basically do it if nothing else works. And apart from that, what we can do in order to reset the Chrome settings is we can restart the Chrome for that. So once we clear out the data completely, it should fully reset the Chrome settings. We may open up the Chrome again and sign in if needed. And we should be finding Chrome in its default settings. And that's it. Usually, this is how you do it if you own phone to reset your Chrome settings on your Android phone. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.